Hello guys, how are you today? I hope that you all are well, be fine. So guys, as we know, Josh Lips Thinks is a Chinese blogger and she is a very famous blogger in China and as well as all over the world. One day, she went in a very restricted area for outsiders in China. She went in Xinjiang province of China. In this area is famous for its Uyghur population. And this area is very different from the rest all part of China. Related to its history, its culture, all that is very different from the rest part of China. Western media often highlighted these kind of things, the restrictions of this area and conflicts between locals and the police of China. Few of its area there is no foreigners allowed. As I see in there, so the culture of that province was very different from the all part of China. As we can see, the mainland China is more developed, their people is so wealthy, and this part was not so good like that. So in their homes designs, their buildings was a bit different from the all part of China because their design, their architect and their religion so much different, and as well as the faces of those people, they don't look like Chinese. The people was there was very beautiful and they were so very friendly. As we know, China is a very populated country and that have population is the number one in the world. But that area, you cannot say that is populated because there is population is very less. Those list things went in Kashgar, Xinjiang. There was traffic-free roads and surrounded the roads there was a lot of greenery and a lot more trees. The guy was with her and he told her that this city was a trade center between India, China, Mongolia, Xinjiang, ancient time. I see the designs of those houses was a bit similar like the houses in Kumaon region of Uttarakhand, India. That's why we can see a lot of varieties, different varieties in their culture. And as I heard in a lot of time on YouTube that sometimes the people of Kumaon who lives in the upper Himalayan range and they did trade between China, Tibet and India. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.